Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install SAP Cloud Connector. And this is the URL from where you can download the Cloud Connector software. And here you have to go to Cloud. And here you can find Cloud Connector. So you have to download the Cloud Connector software, depends on your operating system. In our case, we are installing Cloud Connector on the Windows. But before that, as a prerequisite, you have to download the JVM software. Uh, in this case also you have to download, depends on your operating system. So here, this is a zip file. You just download it and extract the zip file. That's it. And after that, you have to download Cloud Connector. I will download the latest one. Software is downloaded. Double click the Cloud Connector software. Click next. This is the directory where the software will be installed. Click next. This is the default port 8443. Click next. This is the directory of the JVM. Click next. Click next. The installer is ready to install Cloud Connector. Click next. Installation is completed. Click close. Now you can open the URL for the Cloud Connector, that is localhost port number 8443. Click on advanced. Proceed to localhost. This is the login for Cloud Connector. Username is administrator. After the installation, the default password for the administrator is manage. Here you have to change the password. So you have to put the default current password and new password. Click on save. Here you have to choose whether it is a primary installation or a shadow installation. In our case, this is the first Cloud Connector, so we'll choose master. Click save. This is the screen where you can configure the sub account, and this is the installation of Cloud Connector. That's it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Naina Tech. Thank you for watching Naina Tech.